So the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide is getting a smart feature that could literally save you from a painful, expensive screen repair. And on top of that, Samsung just dropped a pretty important update about the future of the S Pen. Let's break it down. What's up guys, Sal here. So quick heads up before we dive in. If you're planning to pre-order the S26 Ultra, know that Samsung quietly improved the offers. The benefits are actually better now. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. Alright, so Samsung basically confirmed that they're working on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide through an animation spotted in the upcoming One UI 9 firmware. That alone was interesting, but now we've got confirmation of another key feature that's coming not just to the wide fold, but also to the regular Fold 8 and the Flip 8. You see, foldables have come a long way. In 2019, they felt like folding TV remotes. Now you've got the Z Fold 7 with dimensions almost identical to regular slab phones. From a durability standpoint, things are way better than they used to be. But let's be real, you still need to be careful with that inner display. Yes, Samsung uses ultra-thin glass, and yes, it's much stronger than the first-gen panels. But it can still dent, it can still get punctured, and if something tiny gets stuck inside while you're folding the phone, that's an expensive mistake. So here's the new feature. Samsung is introducing foreign material detection on the Z Fold 8 lineup. If the phone detects debris or a foreign object while you're closing it, it will alert you. Basically, it's trying to stop you from crushing something between the displays and destroying your screen. Samsung even shared demo images showing how it works. It's something similar to the alert system on the Z Trifold, where the phone vibrates if you're folding it incorrectly. Now the big question, is this software or hardware? Well, we don't know that yet. My guess is hardware, because there has to be some kind of sensor involved to detect objects on the panel. If that's the case, don't expect older models like the Fold 7 to get it via an update. And just to clear something up, Samsung is not going back to rounded corners. The illustrations floating around are just that, illustrations. The Z Fold 8 Wide and the regular Fold 8 will still keep that boxy, older Ultra style look. Now here's the side-by-side comparison between the Z Fold 8 Wide and the Z Fold 7 or 8 in landscape mode. A lot of you asked for this perspective. Note that this is based accurately on the leaked dimensions, and the difference even in landscape mode is still pretty big. The Z Fold 8 Wide is expected to have a 7.6-inch inner display and a 5.5-inch outer display. It's ridiculously wide, very similar strategy to what Apple is rumored to be doing with the iPhone Fold. Samsung clearly wants to position this as a direct counter, just like they positioned the S25 Edge against the iPhone Air. Cameras, here's what we know. The ultra wide is confirmed to be 50 megapixels. That's an upgrade over the Fold 7 and matches what you get on the S26 Ultra. The main camera is still uncertain, but expect the same 200 megapixel sensor as the Fold 7. There's no confirmation yet on whether it gets a dedicated 3x telephoto. The standard Z Fold 8 also gets the new 50 megapixel ultra wide, and it's also getting the new 3x sensor, but just like on the S26 Ultra, Samsung will still likely crop it. You'll still see performance gains though. Battery is rumored to be 5000 mAh on the Fold 8, not confirmed yet, but if that turns out to be true, that's a big deal for a foldable. Now both Fold 8 Wide and the regular Fold 8 will get Samsung's new creaseless display. Samsung showcased this recently, and this time it's not just rumor. They've basically confirmed it themselves. We've heard the crease is fixed every single year, but this will be the year it actually happens. And now let's talk S Pen. Samsung officially said they're working on a more advanced S Pen with a new display structure that produces the penalty of supporting it. They also confirmed that the S Pen is one of the core technologies in their lineup, so no, it's not going away. What they're hinting at is a display that doesn't require the traditional digitizer layer underneath. Samsung already has this tech. If they bring it to the Fold lineup, that solves the thickness issue. The reason the Fold 7 dropped the S Pen support was because the digitizer made the phone thicker. No digitizer layer means thinner phone, and the S Pen support can return. The real question is timing. Will it happen with the Fold 8 or later? One more interesting detail, Samsung confirmed the successor to the Z Trifold won't launch in 2026. That's surprising considering how successful the Trifold has reportedly been. And they also said the S26 Edge won't launch later either, it's basically scrapped. So yeah, a lot happening behind the scenes. Anyway, if you're still considering pre-ordering the S26 Ultra, just know the current offers are limited time. Link is down below. And if you want my honest take on Samsung downgrading certain things on the S26 Ultra, click the video on the screen right now and I'll see you there.